Is your iPhone hot to the touch? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you 5 practical steps to cool it down right away and protect your battery long-term. Step 1. Take off the case immediately. Thick cases trap heat against the body of the phone. Remove the case and let the phone breathe for a few minutes on a cool surface. Step 2. Stop using it and move it away from heat sources. Direct sunlight, car dashboards, near a stove, all enemies of your iPhone. Pause games, videos, and browsing until the phone returns to normal temperature. Step 3. Close heavy apps and turn off 5G if you don't need it. 5G in low-coverage areas pushes the modem to maximum power. Go to Settings, then Cellular, then Voice and Data, and select LTE or 4G. Step 4. Stop charging. Charging and heavy use together generate exponential heat. Unplug the charger, especially if it's wireless or fast charge, until the iPhone cools down. Step 5. Update iOS. Apple often releases fixes for thermal management. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest version available. Did your iPhone cool down? Let me know in the comments which step worked for you. Subscribe to TATO'S for more iPhone tutorials.